Welcome to Montessori Education.
మాంటిసోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్ అడ్మిషన్లు జరుగుచున్నవి. మాంటిసోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్, బుర్రిపాలెం రోడ్, తెనాలి. ఫోన్ 08644227115.
Hello and welcome to class 10th video classes. Now video number 17. Previously I discussed about the chapter number 4, linear equation in two variables. In the previous class only I am giving about you introduction of the chapter. Then after I have given one equation, how to solve the four equations, four solutions. Whenever given the two equations, you have done like that. One homework question also I am given. Find the four solutions. But actually in our syllabus you cannot find the four solutions. The four solutions is the syllabus of the class 9. But our syllabus is we draw a graph whenever given the two equations. Okay. Today I explain briefly how to solve the equation total with graph. I can explain now only here. One question I will here explain it. Draw a graph using the right. First question. Draw a graph. (2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0, comma 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. They are given here. Previous I said graph, but I have not explained the graph briefly. Just I leave it, solve the four solutions. But today I explain how to draw the graph whenever given the two equations. First you come to here. Only like that previous, we can first consider first equation using equation 1. 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 2. Here we can transpose x or y is your choice. Not necessarily you can transpose always only y. We can do any one. But here, which is here y coefficient 1, which is here x coefficient 2. But now it transport to the x to here because of very simple, do the simplification. Very simply. It is very useful to you, do the simplification. So, first y is equal minus 5 minus 2x. 5 minus 2x. We can transfer anyone, but I quickly do that will be 2 come to the denominator, then after I do the division, then I got simple brackets. Why I am wasting my time? So which is the simple variable that will be keep left side and other you transport to the left to right. Now you take here. Keep the box. I said not necessarily 4 values. We can consider 2 values, minimum 2 is the sufficient. You can take 3 or 4 or 5, that's your choice. But always I am taking here 4, so you don't think the start taking 4, you also take the 4 values, no need. Now, first in place of x, I kept here 0. 2 into 0, 0. 5 minus 0, how much you will get? 5. I am taking here in place of 2, 4 I am taking. 2 I am taking. 2 to so much? 2 to so much here? 4. 5 minus 4 how much? 1. I am taking here minus 3. Minus 3. Minus 3 is minus minus plus. 2 3s 6. 6 plus 5 how much? 11. You want to take one more number you can take. For example, I consider 5. 5 to 10. 5 minus 10. How much you will take here? Minus 5. So, we can keep any value for x. Either negative, positive, 0, whatever you want interest. We can consider. It is any rule is not there. Okay. We can consider any value for x. You get just different values for y. Then you have that in the box. Now, but sometimes you take some positive values, some negative values. because of the line will come lengthy. Next, second, 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 3. Here see, x is also having some coefficient 3, y is also having the coefficient something. So here, y, one coefficient is there, but here y is also 2x is equal to 3. Now you can consider anyone, but I consider here only y, because here y having the negative symbol. The negative, whenever you transfer, that will become to the positive. So I will do the difference to the y I want transfer today. So 3x is equal 4 plus 2y. And x is equal 4 plus 2y by 3. Then 3 comes to the down. Now, to make a box, x, y. So here, actually I want to take 0, but whenever I take in the 0, 2 into 0, 0, 4 does not divisible by 3. Maximum I try to usable factors. Sometimes you will get a difficulty, then you will take decimal values also. But maximum you try to do the cancellation. For example, I will take here 1. How much value taken? 1. Which place? In place of y. 2 ones 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 divided by 3. How much value you will get here? 3. You take like that numbers. Which are able to divisible by the 3, that numbers you will give the preference. Don't take the decimal values. Very certain conditions, very difficult place, then you will consider. But maximum you don't take. Next you come to the end. First x, y I have taken 1. Again, I will consider some value. Which value I will take here? Say 3 I will take. 2, 3, 6. 6 plus 4 how much? 10. But 10 is not divisible by 3. There is no use. We can take one more other number. Which number you will take? 6. 6 to 12. 12 plus 4, 16. No use. 7. 7 to 14. 14 plus 4. How much? 18. So, I am taking here 7. I am taking here 7. So, 2 7s 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 by 3, how much? 6. Sir, what after you are going to direct to 7? Middle, if any number you have to put here, after addition, whatever maybe you get the number should be divisible by 3. Such number only have to replace in place of y. Are you understand? So, next, I go to some negative numbers also now. Which are I am going to negative numbers? Negative numbers means I will consider here. Minus 1. What happened? You will get 2. Not divisible. Minus 2. Yes, you see here. 4. 2 into minus 2 by 3. 4. Plus into minus minus. 2 into 2, 4 by 3. How much you will get? 0. 0 by 3 how much? 0. In place of y I am taking here minus 2. Which value I am taking here? 0. Okay. I take only 3 values. You can take 4, you can take 8. But I am not taking here. I am taking only here 3 values. Minimum how many values are requirement? Only 2 values are requirement. Then also here I am taking 4 values, then I am taking here 3 values. Okay. Now come to the graph. First region here, there will be 2 equations. The 2 equations you have to form 2 boxes with either 2 values, either 3 values or either 4 values. That's your choice. Try to take 3 or 4 values. Don't take very simply 2 values, it will don't complete the question. Now come to the graph. This is called x-axis. This is called y-axis. X-axis, one more name is also there. You know very well. This is called horizontal line. This is called y-axis is called vertical line. Sometimes you will get a 1 mark, half mark question. The x-axis is called horizontal line. The y-axis is called vertical line. This whenever the both are intersecting, this point is called 0, 0. This is called the origin. What is called? This is called origin. Here, both are first coordinate. This is the second. This is the third. This is the fourth. You know, here both are plus plus. Here minus plus. Here minus minus. Here plus minus. This is the first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, and fourth coordinate. Already you are knowing the coordinate system in the class 9th. Plus plus, first coordinate. Minus plus, second coordinate. Minus minus, third coordinate. Plus minus, fourth coordinate. I explained about the coordinates. Now come to the here. With here x value how much? Either negative or positive. Which is the larger number? 5. Here which is the larger number? 6. That means first you take the graph paper. The graph paper you divide into the 4 parts. No need you can take the middle only. Sometimes you will come to the here, left or right. We can adjustment. You don't think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 10 lines are there. Middle line I consider. Not need you have to draw the middle line y-axis. Either you draw some left side or some right side. Not necessary you can draw only middle line. Are you understand? Depends on the situation, depends on the question. Okay. Now come to the here. Which is the highest line? 6. 6 means are very simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Next we come to the y. Y here, which is the highest value? 11 is there. 11 is there. Here which is value is there here? 7. 11 is there means 11 is the, I think here 11 lines are not possible. We can consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11 lines are not possible. So such time what we can do? We can take some other scale. How to take other scales are sir? We can take here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. The 11 we can consider between 12 and 10. So we have taken here one table, but we have taken here 2 tables. It is not necessary which values are you taking the x-axis, which are you taking the y-axis. X-axis you can take different table and y-axis you can take the different table. I take here 2 tables. The same values with the negative symbol you have written in the denominator. Minus 2, minus 3, then down. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10 and minus 12. Okay. You write the scale also. What? You write the scale. You write the scale. Scale how to write? On x-axis. On x-axis. 1 centimeter is equal. How much distance you have taken? 1 unit. 1 unit. On y-axis. 1 centimeter is equal. How much distance you have taken the 2 table? That means 2 units. You take the 4 table, you take the 3 table, you take the 5 table, whatever table you can consider this, no problem. Sir, how to can I will get idea which table I consider? Depends on the highest value. Negative symbol or positive symbol. For example, minus 24 is there. 2 is also not possible. Then I will take the 4 table, 4, 8, 12, 16 like that. Okay. But you take the one different is same always. 2 difference. Here 1 and 1 is different. You don't write here 2 difference, again 5 different, again 7 different, like that. No. You write one table continuation. Now, how to plot the points? See first box I am taking here. 0, 5. X value 0. Y value how much? 5. X0 means it is considered on y-axis. Always resign. The value of x is equal to 0, the point lies on y-axis. Y is equal to 0, the point lies on x-axis. Both are 0, they are considered as the origin middle. X0. X0 means where it is considered on y-axis. 5, where is that 5? Between 4 and 6. 0, 5. Next. 2, 1. X-axis 2. Y-axis 1. 1 is here. This is the 2, 1. Next, minus 3. X-axis minus 3. Y-axis 11. We go like that. This is the minus 3 level. Next, 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5. Where is the 5 here? This is 5. Where is the minus 5? Minus 5 is here. 5 and minus 5. 5 minus 5 means it is belongs to the fourth coordinate. Fourth coordinate means first you see x line 5. You see here minus 5. Minus 5 is lies between minus 4 and minus 6. Minus 4 and minus 6. 5 comma minus 5. Draw a line. You try to get one straight line. When you join all the points, never come to the line called ekdam straight. Write the name of the equation. What the name of this equation? 2x plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. You have to write. Next, one more here, one more is there. What the box is there? 2 comma 1. Here 2 is there. Here 1 is there. Same one. 2 comma 1. Next, explain. 6. Y how much? 7. Here 6 is there. Here 7 is like that. This is 6, 7. 6, 7. X 0. That means lies on y axis. 0 comma minus 2. Y axis here. Write the equation name. 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 2. First, plot the points. Then after drawing the points, then after you write the name of the line. Write the name means, write the equation name. 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Next, second also you have to plot it. Then after drawing all the lines, it may become a straight line. Then write the name on the line. Because there are 2 lines, the examiner will be confused which is the first line, which is the second line. So that purpose you give the name also, which is the, don't write the first equation, second equation. You write the equation name 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. 3x minus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Which type of the graph you are getting here? This both lines should be intersecting. That means cross. Okay? This is the graph for these equations. Okay? What you will do first? You form a box. Second equation also you form a box. Then you take the one graph paper. Then you first plot the points. Then after you join all the points, you may have to make a straight line. Again you make the one straight line. Then write the scale also. We have taken the x values, the same values, not necessary. You can take the y axis. We can take the different table. There's no problem. Okay? Today homework you have to write. Draw a graph. X plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. We have to draw a graph. X plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is not in our textbook. I have given it my note. You don't worry about the values. You have to try it your own. Okay? If any difficult, you can do it again. Don't worry. Okay? Thank you for today.